you have a tarp up there that looks like a 5-year-old put it up, it's a poor representation of you and your company. One thing I do want to point out to you guys, this is what we want to be using. We want to be using cap nails when we're nailing down tarps and stuff like that. This is not what we want to be using. These are not, this is for a torch down roof. When you're tarping with these do not get deep enough into the deck, especially when you're nailing over shingles and stuff like that. They don't hold. They need to be, these need to be 1.5 inches if you want to try to use these. So make sure you're using these plastic caps for this stuff. Okay, we're up here on the roof. We're gonna get ready to put our tarp on. Oh, they had an old blue tarp on here. You can kind of see it. The problem with those blue tarps is they're not made for to be installed for a long time. So we've got it all pulled. We're replacing this back half, so we're just trying to keep this thing dry until we get ready to install. I got my synthetic. Hopefully we got enough here. So, gonna be laid just like you're installing a roof. Usually what I like to do is get a couple feet rolled out so I can tell I'm square. And then I'll usually just tack one corner. And here's the thing, guys. When it comes to tarping says a lot about your skill level and your knowledge. If you have a tarp up there that looks like a 5-year-old put it up, it's a poor representation of you and your company. Put your tarp on, make it clean, make it flat. You know, it's not that hard to do, doesn't take that long, but something to keep in mind. You do a good tarping job, it looks good, it looks professional, people notice it. You see this roof was already tarped way over the top of the ridge. If I just had shingles damaged on this side and when we're potentially running a claim on it, what I don't want to do is run this tarp excessively over the top of the ridge. If it's on this side and there's no damage on this side, I'll just run it up and over the top. I try not to run it past, this is not a ridge cap, but if it was a ridge cap, I just want to run it up and over no further than the edge of the ridge cap there. Now I got it laid. What I don't need to do is go through and fully nail every single row before I have it all laid. Now that I have it all laid, I can come back and nail it off better. If you're installing your tarp further down on the roof and you're not going to be going over a ridge, what we do is we want to tuck our tarp. If I had a missing shingles right here, I'd break this seal for this, whatever, a couple feet, however big my tarp is, and then I want to tuck my tarp. I tuck my tarp up underneath there, and once I lay it back down, then I'd put my cap nails through the shingle here. That way, water running downhill, we don't want a leading edge open. Water will get behind it. We're gonna get this nailed off and we'll be right back. Quick, if you're up there going like peck, 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 it's gonna take you forever. These hammers are about 75 bucks on Amazon or at ABC Supply. They're a lifesaver. They're supposed to have a blade in there too. If you wanted to run it, you could run it out, and I don't even need a knife to cut my felt with, or my underlayment. Okay guys, we got this tarp installed. Didn't take us but 5 to 10 minutes. I do want to point out to you, so when I'm installing my tarp, whether it's synthetic or a blue tarp, on my perimeters, I want to try to keep them 6 inches or so. And then what I'll do is I'll come back and nail my bottoms, all my end laps. And then what I like to do is come back and out in the middle there. I don't go as tight with my nails, but maybe every 1.5 feet, 2 foot, just something to kind of hold it down, because what'll happen is the wind will get up underneath here, and that middle, if it's not nailed, it'll start flapping in there, and that's when your tarp rips away. It's clean, it's gonna keep them dry. This will last 180 days or more. I've seen them last longer. So that's how it's done. Thanks guys.